guys, today I'm going to be making a delicious pineapple mango sorbet. So let's get started. What we'll be needing today is 1 cup of frozen mango and 1.5 cups of freshly cut pineapple. So let's get started. So first what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting in my pineapple and mango into my food processor. And then I'm going to cover it. And then I'm going to be pulsing it until it becomes a nice and smooth texture. So now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it, pineapple mango sorbet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.